Well, he attack me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about is Jayden place. See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face when the AK raise. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
No, this is not just an album. This is an experience. Vybz Kartel X-rated, available worldwide on all digital platforms. Make sure you support good music. Vybz Kartel and Sharp Bass Music presents. You know the something go. Stream, view, support. Yeah man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers, and we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase, and yes, we are bringing another new and yes exciting reason for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, was a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, we see them do it to Vybz Kartel, and now the JCF is doing it to Squash. Now, recently, a member of the so-called G-City movement was sentenced, viewers and subscribers, and the JCF is saying that he named Squash as another senior member as well. Now, the Assistant Commissioner of Police, Clifford Chambers, made a public statement, viewers and subscribers, saying that a well-known dancehall entertainer is a senior member of the feared G-City group, which operates out of St. James and is at the heart of several violent altercations across the western side of the island. Viewers and subscribers, if you are doing hardcore dancehall music and you are from a troubled community where there's a group, the security forces will try their best to tie you to that group. Then they try to Squash, and Squash being one of the more smarter artists and one of the artists blessed with the ability to travel, chose to leave the island right after them try to lock him down for many months without a charge. Yes, Squash has chosen to leave the island, and they've never telling you him base or him location right now. Yeah, everybody know North America, but they've never, call the name of the state. Now, Vybz Kartel's case, viewers and subscribers, long before what them charge Vybz Kartel with and have him behind the bars for currently, them try numerous times. We try to say yes, put him name this, or try to involve him with that, to which none of those things worked. And that's why they have to go to these measures. That's why they know, so them, even though they had no evidence, them have to push, because they know, so what you know? Constantly going after the entertainer without reaping any rewards would open them up to an harassment lawsuit. Yes, it was clear harassment. In entertainer's case, dancehall is from the streets. So you being an entertainer from any community at all, of course you will have community ties, viewers and subscribers. And as I will say, we know this tactic. They must start to paint a picture of Squash already without naming him, because them no want get a defamation of character suit against them as well. So them just say a known, very well known dancehall artist is a senior member, and them call the group name, knowing say people would think of which artist them hear mention that word. Which artist them ever hear mention the word G-City. That'll be the first thought that comes to the mind of an individual that reads this report or hears this statement. Now think about it. This was a statement made by the ACP, the Assistant Commissioner of Police. Now there was never any talk of an operation. There was never any warrant. The individual was not named as a person of interest. So what was the motivation by making a public statement that there's a well-known dancehall entertainer who is a member of this group? Because when them do what them plan for do, or say what them plan for say, them want the justification. Why is it that them always want to say, when the youth them a grow the cash crop, them a use it for fun wrongs? When the youth them involved in the music, them a say them a use the music proceeds, or proceeds from the music for fun wrongs. Oh, nobody now say we are do for feed our family, for create a better career path for ourselves. Why is it that is never the aim of people from the ghetto? Them always as the people from the ghetto want the money for do more wrongs. Nobody now want to uplift themselves. Is that the thought? Is that why people from a certain address are treated differently from other residents or citizens of the island who reside in a different address? Vybz Kartel did say best. Him said them think all we do is bust binds and burn herbs. Give youths a chance to go school and go read. A society harvest a situation where them no need. Think about it. In my opinion, viewers and subscribers, entertainers, especially entertainers who fought from certain communities right here on the island, are being stereotyped. Anytime entertainers fought from the inner city community, these are always the cases, these are always the accusations. When entertainers fought from either in rural communities or uptown, there's never any talk of their involvement with anything. Like it all start from the garrison. It couldn't all start there because you need connections to get things done. Talk to me and tell me what you think. Now also happening today, viewers and subscribers, Popcaan say him can't take it no more. Him said the situation where take place on the island needs to be addressed, and him have something for it. He must say him take it to music. Being an entertainer, his most powerful influence is definitely through his music. I saw people know him worldwide, I saw people know him locally. So yes, putting it in the music, putting the message in the music is something we need to do. If you are an entertainer, do it through entertainment. Now, him said though, him put up in post, he make a video about the situation, and him said them block him video. Him says, as a matter of fact, the video was deleted by the IG platform. You know what I mean? And him get a message. Why for the email? Him get a message, and the message read that his video went against guidelines and their regulations. Now Popcaan, being Popcaan, him say, nah go so. Popcaan post again, explain to the people what happened to the video, and make them know so watching, and him remove the video. Him now make him statement and then recant. Him say him now make him statement and then say him never say so. Him said the platform, viewers and subscribers, remove the video. Him says, as a matter of fact, him so serious about it at this point in time, master them can delete him entire account. Him say him not care again, because this is a serious matter. Remember, Popcaan is also a father. Separate and apart from him is an entertainer where they want to say him do it for clout, and him do it because him want the music to get views. And yes, we know the story. We know the story. But one thing though, Popcaan is also a proud father. I wouldn't mention him daughter name in a numerous songs. So if this can feel so for every individual, regular citizens, so you know it feel for the fathers. So of course we're gonna say, you're watching a man, this can't go on. We're gonna take it serious. We have to take it serious. So being a father himself, him decides I'm gonna make a song, him put out the snippet. Boy, the platform I say maybe the lyrical content. Because you have to remember, guidelines are guidelines and them set long before situations take place. So if we say, yo, you can't say down. Even after something happened and somebody said down to earth, they know that wow, we have the guideline before there was no down. So what happens is that I guess the lyrical content from the song go against guidelines. So certain statements, remember, they don't know if you're inside or you just document whether you talk about what take place or, you know what I mean? So I guess I want them type of situation there. Good for see Popcaan be one of the artists that must step out. Vybz kartel do it numerous times. You know the something got Vybz kartel and a ramp to stand up for the ladies. I say watching them on certain things that will soon go on with. If I even certain style will soon style ladies, then we now work with it. So a situation like this, definitely females being the backbone of dancehall music. If women are there at the party, you know the party can't keep. Well, some people try, but that's for some other crowd. But anyway, the ladies are not there. It's not an event. So of course, them support the music so much, the music have to support them. We can't work up on the island. No. The people them frustrated and all are going, but this is something that is, you can't justify this. There is no justification for these type of actions. We not condole it. No time. Papa put out him song. We look forward for your war going. You know what I mean? The video gone. Him know him can't put up again. I don't know if I'm going to try to edit her. I don't know what going, but for the better part right now, the video off for IG. But if my son take back him statement, he had He claims no recanting took place. Him say the guidelines for IG itself remove the video. You know what I mean? It never just put up the ray, it completely deleted. And him say him wonder what that. You know what I mean? Look like somebody probably report Poppy page, more than likely. You know what I mean? I don't know who would do that, seeing the circumstances. Who would really do that, seeing the circumstances? We don't know. You know what I mean? We don't know. But it is what it is. You know what I mean? We're Kani's boyfriend found out. He must say, yo boy, you know, the pictures we are circulate of her when, you know what I mean, them fine. I must say, you know, one that be the last memories of her. You know, the other picture them we are circulate, you must see him, the other want them picture they go and circulate. You know the thing go. You know what I mean? It close to home for him. You know what I mean? Something, you know, affairs of the heart. Stay strong, you know the something go. You know what I mean? Live, love and prosper is all we can say. But it's the one called Jayden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative. I'm reminding you know if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through. But you like the reason, and of course you like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you know we'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. You man, move settings for my own need a ladder. My sentiments for you and yours of want to live, love and prosper until we reason again.